Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a try-on haul using the products that I just got from the Sephora VIB haul, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So first we're going to start prepping my skin, and I'll let you guys know what I got specifically at the VIB sale. But first I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I'm just going to set my skin, or prime my skin the way that I normally do it. And then next I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And I love this stuff, especially just using it as a base, because it makes your skin so glowy and hydrated. Like, you can see that glow. It's so good. And because my skin is extra dry, especially during the cold season, I like to make sure my skin is like super hydrated and glowy. So I like to go in with the Say, this is the Super Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow, and I like to apply this on my face to really emphasize that glow. Oh my gosh, I look like a glazed donut. Before anything else, I like to prep my lips with lip balm always. So I usually use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, or one of my favorite, all-time favorite lip balm, which is the Fresh Sugar Lip Balms. I know they have a holiday set in Sephora, but I did not get that because I already have so many. I'm gonna go in with the Merit Beauty 1980 Brow, and I'm just gonna brush that all over my brows. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the Refi Brow Gel. First I'm just going to coat the brows, and then I'll start like laminating them. Okay, now we're going to clean the brow with a Q-tip and some water, and make sure to get all that excess product cleaned up. Okay, so brows are cleaned up. They're looking nice. Now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm just gonna fill in the gaps, kind of just slightly touch up and kind of extend that end of the brow to make it look a little bit more complete. Last thing I'm gonna do is kind of clean them up a bit. I'm gonna take a concealer brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the Merit Beauty, the Minimalist complexion stick, and this is in the shade Ochre. And I'm just going to take a little bit on the brush and just clean my brows just a little bit. And I'm really going to go with a light hand. And then at the top, what I like to do so it doesn't look so boxy is I kind of start like right here, or maybe even further, and then kind of blur it out towards the front, so that way it doesn't look so boxy. Now that the brows are officially done, I'm going to do the eyes. I'm going to do my simple everyday look, which is basically like a wing liner, and some mascara. So here I'm using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown. And we're going to make a little wing. Use some mascara. Here I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect mascara. This is new to me. I mean, I've been using it for about a month or so, but so far I'm liking it. And then I'm using the Shiseido eyelash curler. Lashes are done, and honestly, okay, everything's looking pretty good right now. So next we'll be moving on to trying on things that I got from the Sephora VIB haul, which I'm so excited about. And the first thing that we're gonna delve into is the Haus Labs Foundation by Lady Gaga. I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on this. I swatched it in store, and I think this is a really good match. And honestly, I love the bottle. Like, I love that frosted glass look. It's very weighted. Even the cap looks really, really nice. What it looks like. And I'm just gonna apply with my fingers. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna just evenly spread it across my face. It honestly feels like skincare. I don't feel like I'm putting on foundation. It feels really hydrating on the skin. And I love how I can just blend with my fingers. And I don't seem to have any problems with streakiness or uneven coverage. That looks really, really good. Holy cannoli. I feel like I don't even have to blend with a sponge because I feel like my fingers are already doing the job. It's not drying at all, and it feels really beautiful on the skin. And that glow looks so good and so healthy. I think this foundation's a winner. As for concealer, I'm going back in with the Merit Beauty, the Minimalist Foundation, and I'm just gonna put a small amount on those spots right there, and I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers first. So honestly, I feel like everything is blended, but I'm gonna be a little bit extra and blend with a damp beauty sponge. Press in all over the face just to kind of really seal in that foundation. Like I said, I really don't feel like I need to actually like fully blend it, but oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm obsessed with that glow. But I'm just gonna kind of blend it in and just be a little bit more extra. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. This I did not get from the Sephora sale, but Merit sent this to me a while back and I absolutely love it. It's their Bronze Bomb, and this is in the shade Clay. I'm just gonna add a little bit right here. And it blends out so easily. And you really can't mess up with this bronzer, which I really like. And it just gives you like a sun-kissed glow without looking too heavy. All right, next is another VIB find, and it is the new Merit Trio Flesh Balms, and this is their holiday collection, and honestly the packaging itself is so stunning. It actually comes with one new color, which is Mars, and it also comes with Beverly Hills and Cheeky. I have Cheeky, I don't have Beverly Hills, so I'm excited that I finally have it. And then Mars is actually, looks like a beautiful color. It honestly matches the name of it. This is what it looks like. It looks super intimidating in the tube or in the container, but I'm just gonna swipe it on my hand so you guys can see the color, because it honestly looks like, you know, Mars. Like when you see those pictures or like in movies, like those dark, rich red sands. It's so beautiful. And like I said, it looks intimidating in the container, but honestly, if you buff it out and just do a light hand application and then just build it up from there to however you want it, it looks so beautiful. And I think it's a really great fall / winter blush. I love Merit's blushes. They are so good and they feel so great on the skin. And I love how it's clean beauty as well. We're gonna be trying something new. I've been wanting to try this product for so long. It is the Rare Beauty liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Mesmerize. I've been researching this product, looking at it through TikTok and all, you know, Instagram, and seeing how it looks like on every skin tone, and it looks like a really great shade. So I'm really excited to use this, and I love how much product you get. I feel like I've seen that these are very pigmented, so we're gonna go very light-handed. I'm just gonna put really like a small dot, just like that, on my face. Okay, and then on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. So I'm just gonna blend with my fingers. I already love it. I honestly was kind of skeptical about this product. I thought it was gonna be too glittery or, you know, like that blinding highlight, but honestly it looks like your skin is just glowing, which is definitely the look I'm going for. I feel like if I put any more it would have been a little too much for me, but this highlighter is so good. Oh my gosh. And I love how it still looks like it's glowy, but it dries down to like almost like a satin matte. Like it doesn't feel like it's gonna move around. I feel like it's really gonna stay in place. Next, we're gonna go in with some setting powder, and I actually bought a new setting powder because I'm almost out of my Laura Mercier one, but I also wanted to try something new and something that was clean beauty. So I went in and bought the Ilia Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and it's talc free, it's clean beauty, which is what I was really looking for. And I love how it has a little contraption to close and open the powder. I think that's really neat and hygienic. So we're gonna take a little bit of the powder. I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush, and I'm gonna set my eyes first. Very, very lightly set my face so that way I have a sense of security that it's not gonna like really slide around. So I'm loving the powder so far. I feel like it didn't take away too much of the glow. I'm gonna add a little bit more highlighter. So one thing that I really like about this specific highlighter that I'm noticing so far is that I can blend it on top of powder without taking away the foundation or disrupting the foundation, the powder, and all that stuff. My skin looks so good right now. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Okay, so I think the face is done. Honestly, I'm loving how my makeup is looking right now. It looks so good and so glowy, and my skin just looks so even toned. And that House Lab foundation is really holding up on my skin. And I have a really bad dry patch on my chin, and it's literally not clinging onto there. Granted, I did prep my skin, but sometimes there are some foundations that will mattify a little bit too much and still make that dry patch show up, but this foundation is not doing that at all. I'm gonna try on the Freck Beauty Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick. This is in the shade Main Character. This is my first product from them, and I just really want to try it because they're also clean beauty, and I've been seeing them on TikTok and it looks so good on the lips. I was reading or watching the reviews, and how you put it on is you kind of just swipe it on and then you blur it with your finger to give that effect that you like just made out with someone. It feels really soft and very, very lightweight. I don't even really feel anything on my lips. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. It really made my lips look like more plump and soft looking, very plush. I really, really like that. And I didn't even have to use lip plumper. That's very, very beautiful. All right, and then we are going to try on one other thing that I'm super excited to use, which is the Tower 28 Milk Lip Jellies. I tried this in store, and honestly, the texture was so good. I just had to get one. So this is another thing that I got from the sale, and this is in the shade Almond. Not sticky at all. I don't see any like strings hanging between my lips. Feels super comfortable, super lightweight, and it's actually very pigmented. Last but definitely not least, we're gonna set all this makeup, and here I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, my favorite setting spray ever. That completes the look. My skin looks and feels great. I absolutely love all the products that I've used. I'm very, very happy with the products that I bought because they look so good and they're compatible with the skincare and the skin prep that I already been using. I didn't have to change a single thing. and it honestly looks so good. I feel like this look is perfect for the fall, everyday fall makeup. Oh, I love this look so much. That concludes this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys got from the sale and what do you guys think of this look, the products. I absolutely love every single thing that I tried. Nothing was a miss for me, and I'm so excited to keep using them in my routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.